Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this dark green and gold confetti nail look because, well, I feel like it. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare natural nails and I'm going to add my base coat. So I'm making sure to cover each nail and wrapping the edge of the nail as well. Yes, I'm going to do 2 coats of base coat because I want to, but like I've said previously, it's not necessary. I'm just extra. So next I'm using my dark green nail polish from Makeup Gallery and I'm going to paint my baby fingernail, making sure I'm wrapping the edge, and my index fingernail and my thumbnail. Then I'm going to take this gold shimmery colour and paint my ring finger and middle fingernails. And then I'm going to do a second coat of all the colours. Right, so next, once everything is dry, you're going to add some tape and stick it at an angle on the left side of your nail, on your ring finger and your middle finger. Once that's done, you're going to go back to your green nail polish and paint between where your nail starts on the left and where the sellotape ends. And right after that, you're going to peel off your sellotape. So once that's done and all dry, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time on the right side of my nail. Placing the sellotape at an angle, a diagonal angle, and again filling in the space between the right side of my nail and the sellotape with the green nail polish. And again, I'm just going to peel off the sellotape. So when everything is completely dry, and I'm talking bone dry, no stickiness at all, you're going to get some more tape and stick it over the lines that you created with the green polish. And do this on both nails. Then you're going to use your glitter polish and paint one coat on the gold part of the nail. So you're going to do that for your ring finger and your middle finger. Once the first coat is down, then you're going to use a sponge and paint it with the glitter polish and then dab the sponge onto your nail. So at this point, you're just trying to distribute all the glitter particles onto the nail. Then you're going to peel the sellotape off your ring fingernail and then your middle fingernail. And then finally you are onto your last step, which is to add a top coat. I'm using a quick drying top coat because it dries quickly, hence the name, and I don't like waiting for my nail polish to dry, but any top coat will do. Yeah, I probably should have sped this bit up. Oh well. And once that last top coat is down, you are done. And there you go, you are left with this green and gold nail look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. If you didn't, oh well, share it anyway, someone else might like it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!